Ladies and gentlemen, COVID-19 virus is something that we thought is something simple and we take it to be just a flu, and then came bird flu, and then came SARS. Before that it was the Nipah virus. But we didn't expect this coronavirus to be so spread wide and so infectious. What can we do in simple life to take care of ourselves? As a scientist, I've been working on edible bird nests. But what is it to do with COVID-19? Immunity, building up your own self-defense and protection. Edible bird nests have been researched into for many years, but my team from University Kebangsaan did 7 years of work to understand the big molecule of this bird saliva called glycoprotein. We open up in simple terms, it is called, we studied the biochemical changes and the biochemistry in terms of structure and reaction of this glycoprotein with the body of human being. We do in simple experiment using rats and in vitro digestibility as well as some biochemical tests. We were surprised to find out that it is a very powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory effects and even antimicrobial. We came out with something about 2 years back called edible bird nest hydrolysis. Edible bird nest hydrolysis is different than the original raw edible bird nest. The structure have been changed, the biochemical properties have been studied, and we think it is a good food or a good drink to take to strengthen one's immunity. How does it work? There are some bioactive components from the breakdown of this swiftlet glycoprotein that can assist in the blood flow of human beings. We have documents, we have done some references to see that edible bird nest contains a few metabolites that enlarge or dilate the vessels of the blood. In relation to COVID-19, what this means is it will quicken or it will allow bird to move and in that sense give somebody or someone taking it a healthy lifestyle in terms of blood flow. I am suggesting that with COVID-19, some of us should look seriously into eating healthy foods, good proteins, peptides, and around us is this edible bird nest hydrolysis. I think my invention of the edible bird nest hydrolysis will be able to strengthen one's immunity